this mogul. You know the fear face. I mean, you know the look face. Who will ask where they go? Kai, clear, come on for
which face? Which face? I dey ask you, who open gate for you? They tell me say I know the fear face.
If I repeat myself one more time, guy. If I repeat myself one more time, you no go like me. Clear, come on for road, make I pass.
See. Now so you think they run? No only criminal they run enter person house like that. Eh? How you take come into this house if you no be criminal?
They ask me who be criminal? Who be criminal? You when they put for gate, you leave gate open. You dey ask me how I enter inside. Go ask your mama where they for.
See here. If my oga come down here, come see you here, now for kiri you go see yourself. I dey tell you.
Okay.
No allow me use taekwondo on you.
Oh, you want use taekwondo?
Yeah. You want try me? You want try me? Hey, come back here.
So this is a dream. Hunger won't keep person. Hey. I go find what I go chop. Like I come out. I go find what I go chop.
Hey. Come back here. Oh, you're running away from me, right?
No.
Huh?
No, Oga, I'm not running away from you. Oga, please forgive me.
How many times have I warned you not to be leaving this compound?
Oga, I just say make I go this Aboki man place. Buy me now, I go take chop bread.
Is there no food in this house?
I no chop for last night. I no chop. Please forgive me.
Are you mad? You're very stupid.
No, sorry, sir.
I've warned you not to be leaving this compound and you're still doing the same thing. You're trying me, right?
No, I will not do it again.
It's okay, Molly game make yeah?
Biko, just leave him, oh. Forgive him.
This boy is very stupid. I've warned him not to be leaving this compound. He's still doing the same thing.
I know. That's why he's a gate
I've
man.
warned him several times. And I want to give him a talk.
No. I swear I will not do it again. It's the main hunger killed me. What if your hunger self?
I'll soon kill you. Very soon.
Okay, please, Hey. In-law, thank you. In-law, thank you so much. If you see this slap, okay, give me. Give me that cold and boy for my face.
You're calling me in-law because I'm defending you.
May the God of Abraham, my father, bless you too. Amen. Hey.
Mama, you are the reason your husband was not sleep at night. I mean, you give him so much food that he sleeps in the daytime, and at night he will not allow us to sleep. I do not agree with you on that.
Anytime he wakes up in the night, breastfeed him, ola.
Mama, you know how much I don't joke with my night sleep. Okay. I don't like this. He's inconveniencing me and he's beginning to give me headache.
You're the one inconveniencing yourself. Breastfeed him when he wakes up. Leave the breast there with him. He's a young boy. All men know how to manage Allah. Biko.
Mama, Mama, please, I am begging you. You have to postpone this your leave.
How is it possible?
You have to, Mama.
I've already told your husband I'm leaving tomorrow.
Then let my husband get me a house help. I cannot cope alone without you being in this house. It's not possible.
Well, that's between you and your husband. You will tell him yourself. It's your husband.
Mama, I have told him several times, but he keeps telling me that I do not have any need to have a house help. How am I supposed to cope?
Give him time. With time, he will adjust. When he sees that you're not coping, now I to call out for a house help.
Mama, this is no longer funny. Seriously, it's not.
Go and bring my baby and his food. Let me feed him. Let him eat well and be happy.
Mama, let him eat well by this time. If you allow him to sleep in the night, so let me child him.
Sleepless night, sleepless night. You want follow you to a vacancy of sleepless night. I'll put that in.
What happened?
I'm so sorry.
I've been waiting for you.
See, we had a lot of visitors, okay?
It's okay. Let me just have the address.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I know where this is. Listen, I have to go now, okay? We'll see later.
Philo, wait. I am worried.
Worried about what again?
Philo, are you sure you want to do this? Are you sure you want to take this risk?
Carol, I have to. I have no choice. The God who made things to be like this will make it possible for me, okay?
Philo, please.
Carol, what is it now?
I just want you to be careful. I am concerned.
Okay, Carol, I have heard you, but I need to go now. And before I forget, keep your mouth shut. I don't want to hear this anywhere.
I just want you to be careful. I am concerned.
All right, I will be careful. And thanks for your concern, but I need to go now. Eh? I'll call you. We'll talk on the phone.
Fast and easy. Easy, easy, easy. Come and get the rest quickly. Come and get the rest from inside before you put those ones. Leave that one. Leave that one. Come and get the rest. Leave the bull too. What kind of person are you?
Okay. It's many 2 bags of semo. I want big ground oil. Should I bring them?
No, you eat them. You eat them. You're asking stupid questions. Go and put it inside the boot. This boy, be fast now. Stop wasting my time. What of Jida?
She's inside. Should I call her?
Yes, please.
Bros, abeg, no vex, eh? My name is Philomena. I dey look for this address.
Hey, sure, okay.
You know,
So what you go do? If you go up now, you take this right.
This one? Okay.
Then you take left. If you go from small, you take left. Then you pass 2 streets for front.
Okay.
Then the next one, at this place.
So wait, if I take this first street, this right here,
yes.
I take my left.
Yes.
Then I'll count 2 streets.
Good.
The next one.
Bam.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, eh?
All right,
God
bye.
bless you.
Bye.
Mama, I was just coming to call you.
You ready?
I'm ready, yes. What about baby? Has he slept?
Mama, he has not slept. Prosper's problem is too much. It's getting out of hand. I don't know how I'm going to cope with him without you.
See who is talking. You were like that when you were a baby.
Mama, not this much.
Not to worry. With time, he will adjust. But anytime he cries too much, feed him and feed him well. That way he will sleep peacefully without disturbing you.
Mama, you think so?
Yes, I know.
Mama, please. It is better you spend small time with me. Just add a little more time to the leave, and that's all I'm asking.
Oh, by the way, thank your husband for me. Do you know he gave me 50,000 naira cash? With all these things that he bought, Pico, I'm very grateful. Pico, can I loan here?
Mama, you never cease to amaze me.
Oh.
Listen, no matter what Richard gives to you, you deserve it and even more. It's not easy to spend 1 month with us here. With Prosper's problem.
God will bless you both.
Amen. Mama, please, why don't you call your school people? Father Dikeh just openly fit to the leave.
Again, baby. Stepping out. Let's go. Your husband is waiting.
Mama, Mama, I cannot cope. I know why I'm saying this to you.
This my guy. I never see this guy man before. How this man get this kind good heart? Oga, your heart too good. Your heart too good. Hey. Generous man. I've never seen a man where they generous like this, my Oga. See the kind of good things where you buy for my madam, mama. This money, I go make this money, I go make this money, and this money I go make it like my Oga. My money go grow like this, you go reach my Oga level, bam! You go stop there. I go come marry better wife. The kind wife I go marry, Hey, everybody will see this woman go mad. He go fine. Madam they learn now. If Madam see my wife, he go mad. Hey, fine woman. Hey, I go make this money. Oh God, I beg. I will come be that. You come be this one again. Who be that? What be that? Who you define? Wait, you be deaf and dumb? Madam, if you say you be deaf and dumb, no be this place now. This place no be deaf and dumb school. Shift. Wait. Wait. No be you I see for dream. Hey! You be witch. I don't confirm am. You want enter inside, won't make I open door for you. Come here.
Now he has really woken up and crying. What kind of trouble is this? Now I'm tired, tired. Don't be crying when somebody wants to play. That's when you know you wake up and cry. Cannot rest or sleep in this house. Richard should better come back and try to get with you. I'm coming!
Oh, no wonder. It's after 2. I need to go and eat. Hello, babe, what's up?
Listen to me, Richard. I am not happy at all. I am not.
What is it?
Listen, this baby has been crying since morning, since you left. I'm not even able to do anything at all. I can't go to the kitchen. I can't do anything. Once I move, he'll start crying.
Babe, come on. Take it easy with him. He's only a baby.
What are you saying? So I should die or kill myself because I have a baby? Why don't you come back from that your office and come and help me out?
It's okay. I'll be home early today, okay? So I can assist you.
Hurry up, better do. I'm waiting for you. You cannot come and leave this kind of load for only me in this house. Sorry.
What's all this? Gee, why can't you nurse your baby? Huh? I've told her that I don't want a house help. I do not want a house help.
See the way you're looking handsome. When you don't cry, you look cute. Listen, you see your papa, your father, Richard. I will not stop disturbing him until he does what I have to do. He must do it, oh. He has to get us the help. See, I need to go take care of myself. You see, I need to get new earrings, new jewelries. My hair, I need to change it. My lashes, I need to go and pack new sets. Pedicure, I've not done it. My hands, I've not even done it. Because you're always crying, and it's not nice. Okay, now tell me. Look at me, I'm talking to you. Now that you're not crying, don't you like it? Don't you like it? You see, you look cute. Mommy is happy. So don't cry again. Shorty here, you hear me? Ah, no cry. No cry. Sorry. No.
Mama, so how is Ginika and a new baby?
Hi. Ginika is fine. As for the new baby, what about Angel? And the baby looks just like me.
Like me, Mama. Wait, Mama. You mean Ginika gave you all this?
Oh, see Ginika. Ginika, her husband. He's such a nice person.
Mama,
he bought all the fabrics for
I will
me.
use this for my up and down.
I don't want to put it back.
Mama, wait.
You can see it's been cut into 2 already. If I busy about that.
It's all by Jen and we're gonna go. They're going to feed the chief. Take it to the big a shot.
Wait, let me carry it.
This one, you start carrying it. Easy, oh. Because before you be a dead, I have to call it someone.
I can make one time.
Okay, say you buba.
Mama the mama.
We'll take these things in. Walk them.
Mama. I will cook very well today.
My friend, I'm one. Biabu be fendi before mama make abia. Mana wanya na yoka. Buba.
Mama. Today I will cook 10 sorts of rice. You get it?
You can't be in a city kadem naru. Onyala. Gasi ke bia. So.
I am blessed in the morning, I am blessed in the evening. Abraham, blessings are mine. Hallelujah. Where this aboki man now? Come on to carry mineral, come here with bread. They don't see you again. Money good though. I swear anything will go make me not make money for this life. Nah. Thunder, the one wasting your thunder, now you go fire him. Now you go destroy him. Here. Abraham, my father. Sorry. God of Abraham, my father. So you can talk.
I talk. I beg. I need to go inside. I beg. Just 1 minute. I need to go inside.
Hey, see, listen, let me tell you. I don't want anybody will go spoil my happy mood this afternoon. You hear me?
I swear I don't want to spoil your happiness. But I need to go inside.
You better say the craze. I
beg. Just
see, hey, listen. See, if I go inside, come back here, I don't want to see you here again. Carry your wahala, they go. You hear me? Carry your wahala, they go. Hey, madam! Madam, they go. I've not done this thing before. So madam want to transform me from gate man to nanny. Since when my mama born me, I've not done this kind of thing before. Where will I start from? Baby Prosper. Nelly and Negi Toilet on it. Okay. Omemana maya na omenjo na jaya na ikwa mali bezi ya konye wetelo bulu. If I will sing, you begin second. Omemana jaya na ikwa mali bezi ya konye wetelo bulu. Menjo na jaya.
No crying, right? Okay. Take. This is his food. Make sure he drinks all of them.
Pocha, Pami. Sorry.
Make sure he finishes it so he will sleep. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Where they go?
Okay.
I'm in the kitchen. I need to prepare something. Okay. Go now.
I don't know how to do all these things. I don't know how to do all these things. I don't know why madam want to transform me to nanny. Where will I start from now? Baby Prosper. See, I'll be security man. If now to catch thief for this compound, bam, one hand, I don't catch her. They know they escape. But this one now, nanny. Where will I start from? Okay, baby Prosper. I pause with the ego. I don't know if madam will be angry. I can sit down. Yeah. I have to sit down. I have to sit down. Where will I start from now? Baby Prosper. Can I check on Ocha? Yeah, broken Ocha. This is not permit. It's sweet. Thank God. Baby. Remember if I'm leave is here, I love this job. Stop crying, eat more. Yeah? Drink. This baby can eat for Africa. She's eating. He's eating. He has finished it, so madam, bring more.
Hey.
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming.
Bring bread. God of Abraham, my father. Which kind of sufferness be this, eh? Which kind pikin be this? Eh? Which kind of wahala pikin be this for this compound? Sleep, you no gree sleep. Na so they go carry the waka up and down before you go sleep. Eh? Obukude Enebu wait. Anthony Joshua no suffer like this before he become heavyweight champion. See my hand all stiff now. Blood don't dey pass through this vein again. Hi. That's his eyes just dey shine like torch. Pia. Madam.
Isaac. What are you doing?
Madam, my hand all stiff. Blood don't dey waka through this hand again.
Why? What happened?
Madam, na your pikin o. Na your pikin. Na so I carry your pikin since morning. The pikin no gree sleep. I carry for this hand. They waka up and down. So they can't sleep. Madam, I don't die.
Isaac. So because you were carrying my baby not even up to 30 minutes, your hand is already stiff. If you now carry the baby for 9 months in your tummy, you will die. Let me move to the duty post.
Madam.
This place, you fool.
Thank you, madam.
Idiot. Hand is stiff. I said go back to the duty post, Isaac.
Isaac, no problem. Next time you will call me to come and help you and carry this baby again. Eh? No problem. Let me go and buy rope. Let's Oga. So you sit here? Eh?
Why you shout? Why you shout? Just you shout with me. Look at this. I'm really vex. Calm down.
Okay. No wahala. I know the verse again. No wahala. Identify yourself.
Huh?
Yes. Common grammar. You don't understand. You see, is it the problem why they happen with you? Eh? Common grammar. Wetin be your identity? Wetin be your name? Wetin be your nomenclature? Eh?
That's small. You don't tell. Sorry. My name is Philomena. Boy, you feel call me Philo? Yes.
Philomena or Philo? Okay. Philomena or Philo, wetin be your mission?
May we go inside first. When we reach inside, we go here now. Calm down. You just dey vex. May we go inside. Eh? Let's go.
Hey. As waiting, make an open gate for you. As waiting, as Queen of England or what? Eh? You make an open gate for you. Why you never tell me waiting carry you come here?
Now the thing why they tell you, if we go inside, I go sound too much. May we go inside, we go shade, go one corner, I go tell you waiting make me come. Why you dey rush? You be rusher? Calm down now.
Madam,
Eh?
see this your time, eh? You no go catch me. Eh? Let me tell you something where you don't know. Before Abraham wey born me, before Abraham my father, Jesus was. You hear am? This thing where you know I'm pass you.
Now the same thing me and you dey talk now. Open gates, may we go inside. I go tell you waiting make me come.
Madam, as you know they ready to talk, you go dey like this here until you don't ready to tell me what you carry you come.
Isaac.
How you take no money?
You forget I did where your madam call you before. When you punk me, bring your mind down. Today, take a cheap pill. Calm down. We will go inside. See, my and you go like me. You go like me. I the wrong things. We will just go inside. If I tell you what made me come here, you say you go like her. Eh? More reason one on one. I'm gonna go inside.
See, my tell you, eh? No matter the style where you carry come, eh? No matter the style of this your child where you carry come, you no go affect me. Eh? You no go affect me at all. Come here.
Isaac! Eh? Isaac!
Oh, by no, my man.
Richie.
Well, number 6.
That's a real man.
Wow.
Oh,
My nigga.
you know, your secretary said you went out for lunch.
Yeah,
I said,
yeah.
I must wait for you.
Nice to see you again. Nice to see you
That's all
again.
mine, bro.
Wow.
So, how's work?
Bye. As you can see, we thank God for everything. It's going well, you know. I took over the company since my father's death.
And you're not doing badly. I mean, I know what you can do. I trust you.
You know me, don't be that.
So, how is Jenny and the baby?
They are fine. They are fine. But you know, my boy, he's so troublesome. Doesn't allow my wife to sleep in the night. That boy gives my wife sleepless nights.
Well, Richie, that's just a perfect indication that the boy is a real man, just like the father.
Like father.
Like sons.
Hey, Obai. Nice weekend.
Thank you, bro.
Nice to see you.
Thank you.
Obai, I will always appreciate you. In fact, I will never stop appreciating you for your candid advice. You know what? Now I can tell what it feels to be a father.
What are you feeling like?
I'm feeling like a father.
Well, the fact is, you're not a father.
Yeah.
You're not a father.
Oh, sorry for my manners. What do I offer you?
Very, very cool.
I don't know what you take.
I'm very hot.
Madam, Namin, Isaac. Madam, I'm so sorry for disturbing you, for the disturbance. So sorry.
Why are you disturbing my sleep? What is it?
Madam, now one stupid girl like that wait there outside the gate. Now she dey cause this trouble since afternoon.
What girl are you talking about? Who is she?
Madam, I don't know.
Didn't you ask her her name?
Madam, yes. She get one kind botanical name like that. I don't call the name again. And she said she won't see you.
And you didn't ask her why she wanted to see me?
Madam, no. Madam, yes. She said she gave message for you. Yes.
What kind of message is that?
Madam, I don't know.
Why are you so daft? Tell me, why are you so stupid? Eh? You cannot deliver a simple message. This is how you keep being a gate man till you die. Because you're useless, you're worthless, you're senseless, you're jinxed.
Madam, you promote me to vigilante now.
Will you shut your trap? You woke my baby up.
No, that's all.
You woke up. Wait. Did you wake my baby up? You woke Rosa up. You are dead. Silly.
Hey, how you call me my fault? Madam, don't call me jeans. Call me draft. Still call me silly because of you. Because of you, eh?
I better come inside and lock my gate.
Calm down now. Which one you squeeze face? Whenever start to the fight, you don't squeeze face. Calm down.
Now you cause all this trouble for this afternoon. Now you cause all this wahala for this afternoon. I dey vex so.
Say you be my G. Take am easy. Your blood too dey hot. Wetin your madam talk?
You and who be G? Me and you, G. Eh? Bless you, know they hear. Come inside, make I lock my gate.
Calm down now. Na simple question I ask you. Wetin she talk? Make I know how I go take present myself for that place. You dey vex. Whenever they fight now, make your mind bring big juice now. Calm down.
As you see me like this now, I dey vex. My body dey hot. My body dey hot like this. My body dey hot. I dey vex.
Mas, calm down. You be ogbanje. You wan confess? Why they move like that one where they pour salt on top of your body? Take it easy. Pour salt on top of your body. Calm down now. Sure.
I'll call my brother. Good afternoon. How's your family?
They're good. Where are you rushing to?
To Okechi's family. To rejoice with him. Have you not heard?
Yes.
His wife put to bed this morning.
Hey, and I heard it's a bouncing baby boy.
You are right.
Hey.
You see, God has finally answered Okechi's prayer.
Yes.
By blessing with a bouncing baby boy. After having 8 female children.
8?
Yes.
Hey, this is marvelous. It's great. Okay.
Let me.
Wait, actually, did you hear from our late brother's son?
That boy is making me angry. Yes. That's why I have not called him since that time we met last.
Achike, you see, a stitch in time saves 9. We have kept quiet over this matter for too long. Look, come to my house this evening. We have so much to talk about. Make sure you come.
No problem. I will come.
I'll be waiting for you.
Come, let's follow me now. Let's go now.
No. Tell Mazi Okechi I'll be coming to see him tomorrow evening. Okay. Tell my regards to him.
Thank you.
Please,
Has he slept?
Yes, he has slept.
Okay.
Babe, some lady came to the house this afternoon in search of a job.
Who?
I just said a lady came to the house.
I heard what you said. I said who and what does she want?
She wants a job.
She wants a job here in this house?
Yes, she said she's an orphan and then she has no means of livelihood.
And what did you tell her?
What am I supposed to tell her? I thought I was going to employ her as soon as my husband comes back and I discuss with him.
I'm so surprised that you said such a thing. How many times have I told you that I don't want a house help?
What do you mean by
tell her
that?
such a thing?
What are you talking about, Richard? This lady is matured and she's very nice.
Matured or not, I said no.
Why are you like this? No, tell me, what you derive in seeing me suffering in this house? Why are you so callous and wicked? You expect me to be in the house once you go to work, take care of the baby and take care of the house chores? Just me? You are definitely going to regret this if you do not hire that lady. Trust me. Please.
Can you imagine? She's angry. Whatever.
Start the money for this, money for that. All love is money.
Odinaka! Good afternoon, ma.
Oh, Gineti, all day. Who are you looking for?
I came to see Odinaka.
Oh, Odinaka one body. Ah. Who are you?
My name is Ebere.
Mwanya. Whose child?
I am Michael Ara's daughter.
Michael Ara's daughter?
Yes.
Michael Amulugo Wapulu Diala. Ah. You're welcome. So, why are you looking for Odinaka?
He asked me to come.
He asked you to come. I asked you to come. Now, listen and listen good. Let me sound a note of warning. If you get pregnant for Odinaka, he will not marry you. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you get pregnant for him, he will not marry you. Don't you ever step this nonsense feet into my compound. Nanagi, if that's your name, Jezebel, which is your apple, to come and deceive my son. Get out of my compound, my friend. Oh no, about believe where but I need to where or the little one. I won't phone on chapel even on 11. Keep up with the second Nanya. None of them want the Naka kitchen up. Careful that you know when I tree of your nature day on. I know they got it. Look what was you. Children of nowadays, they are with them. What would you China Dinaka no Naka? Eh? Or to make it as not Dinaka and Makwa? You're not better more Dinaka number of on your mother. Hi! Or the Naka no way if you any phone baby, if I can hear. I'm going to give her a little.
Mama! Mama, I'm back.
You're welcome, sir. Why was Maziara's daughter here?
So she actually came here.
You're not saying anything.
Mama?
I say, Mama? Mama what? Her name is Ebere.
Mama, I am not doing anything with her. Maybe she was looking for me to give her films. I'm not doing anything with her. Mama, why are you staring at me like that, man?
I am staring at you so that you will know that if that girl gets pregnant, she's not coming into this house.
Mama, which one is pregnant again? I didn't get who pregnant. Which one is pregnant again?
Is Nkebo pregnant? Emma was 4 people pregnant. Anyway, Emma again was a child. That is why you I know the kind of thing you will like. Mana kangwa kwagi ife na so na egbu. Kwunyonu ge ba na melo nwa ya fa puta. If he buteki yebu, men so kwagi.
Ebere, why are you this desperate? Okay, let me wait until I see you.
This on your face is like this. What happened?
I went back to the house as the woman told me to.
Okay. Did you meet her husband?
I didn't meet him. My worry is that the man said he doesn't need a house help. The wife said he told her not to bring anyone to the house.
Philo, do you want to hear the honest truth? I will advise you to forget about this matter. Forget about it and go back to the village. That is the right thing to do.
Carol. No, wait, are you being serious now? Why would you say a thing like this? You know how important this thing is to me. You put yourself in my shoes. Would you do that?
Eh? But you just told me now that the man said he doesn't want any house help in his house. What do you intend to do? What?
Carol, please, I want to ask you for a little favor. is it okay for me to stay with you until I can think of something to do? No, no, it is not okay. It is not. If the management of the motherless baby's home finds out that I am keeping you in my room, they will be angry with me.
Carol,
it is not.
Carol, please. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. You've done too much for me already. You can't turn your back on me at this crucial moment.
Silu, please, I would have loved to help you sincerely, but do you want me to lose my job?
Carol, you will not lose your job. I promise I won't stay for too long. Just a little time. Biko, please.
Please stop kneeling down. Stop making me feel like I am wicked or something. I am not.
I know you're not, and that's why I'm still begging you. This is very important to me, please.
I can't. I cannot help you now. I can't. I'm sorry.
I was mad when I got home last night. There was no food in the house.
Why?
My wife claimed that the baby did not allow her to do anything. That's why she couldn't cook.
Well, Richard, I mean, isn't it obvious now that your wife needs a house help in the house?
But please, don't even go there. Don't say that again. I've said it several times. I don't want a house help in my house. I do not want it.
Well, judging from the new baby, you have to consider the presence of the baby. Okay? It's another workload to your family, to your wife.
It's okay, I've heard. I don't hear you. Let's just go. Are we seeing tomorrow for the business you told me about?
I'll call you in the morning.
Mama, I heard you discussing over the phone with my sister.
Yes. She was complaining that her husband has refused to let them bring in a house help into their home.
Why is Richard being so rigid about this? Must he always stress my sister? Eh?
See, your sister doesn't need a help. You know Girinka? She loves being lazy.
Mama, don't say that, Biko. Don't say that. My sister is not a lazy person. That she needs a house help doesn't make her a lazy person. Richard should show her some love and respect as his wife.
What do you know about love? It's not if you're merely with a berry. You call that love?
Mama, I'm no longer a kid. I brought Umaka.
Mom, I like it, but you can't teach me about love. Because go and check what is on the fire.
Mama, I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about that cha-cha-cha. Let Richard show my sister some love.
So what are you talking about? No, actually that girl, that's a berry. Be following her bottom.
Mama, I'm not the one following Ebere. Ebere has been the one following me up and down. I am not the one. I don't love her. I don't love her for one bit. One day you're Richard. One day you're Richard.
What are you doing with my son under the sun?
Okay. Now, madam, carry the pikin, give me. Say, man, carry and stay for gate.
Madam, say make you stay for gate.
Yes, okay.
Where is the key to this gate?
Okay. I give you the key.
I'll break your head. I'll just smash your head.
Sorry.
Come on, give me the key.
Sorry, okay. This is bullshit. Oga, you increase my salary. Oh. I'm not doing 2 jobs in this compound. Gate man and nanny. Eh? At least for gate man, I'm doing shifting. You'll be the one opening the gate. Oga, back where I come and lock the gate. I'm doing shifting. I'm facing nanny. Eh?
Hey, babe. How was your day?
Jenny, I do not understand what my son is doing at the gate with the gate man under this harsh weather. What's going on?
I don't understand. Pardon?
You heard me right.
Well, I guess I did not. Why are you yelling at me? What is wrong with the gate man carrying our child? Oh, you don't like him carrying the child under this hot weather, right? Then you do the needful. Get a house help. You expect me to kill myself for you because you married me? Because you paid my dowry and married me into this house, I should kill myself for your son. Abi?
Gina, do you realize what you're doing? Do you know just what you're doing there?
No, I don't. I don't know what I am doing. If you do not like it, you better... You know what? Always take the baby with you to work.
Jenny, come back here. I'm talking to you.
For what? Talk to me for what? I beg, you carry your pikin.
Come back here.
Go and carry your son.
Hey. Okay. Hey, bring my son here. Fast.
Now so Oga for take break my head for waiting no concern me. Hey, waiting make madam say make I carry this pikin go stay here. I don't talk am before. If woman no destroy this world, nothing go happen to this world again. Nobody fit destroy am again. Hey, God of Abraham, my father. Hey.
Hey, you come. So you have no. Don't come, go. You took my son to your duty post for what?
Madam, as you say, make I carry the pikin. Now I carry and go my duty post. Eh?
You carry my son to your duty post. Eh? You took my son to your duty post. As a mini gate man or what?
Madam.
As a baby gate man. Hey! You took my son to the gate. As a mini gate man. Eh? You are still talking. Let me hear one more from down your mouth and I will give you another hot slap now. Idiot! You took my son, the precious son, to the gate. I don't understand. Now, if you open the small gate for you or the big one, as a mini second top, Nyala. Idiot! You don't even need to see. If I go blind forever, go blind. Go to from this place. Devil! You took my baby to the gate, to your gate post. To be opening the small gate for you or the big one for you. I'm blind. You should go more blind. Madam, I'm blind.
Hey. Oh, God of Abraham, my father. Let me shiko the blame now. Let me shiko the blame. What do you expect when you carry your pikin give gate man? Now to carry and go into the post. Eh? Hey.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
And baby, her name is Philo.
Philomena, right?
Bam, Ijia. People call me Philomena, or you can call me Philly.
I learned you are an orphan.
Bros, now so we see my parents are dead, and I'm the only child.
Okay, what kind of work do you think you can do here?
Bros, I dey do anything. I dey cook, I dey clear grass, I dey sweep compound. Even gate man, if you pursue that your gate man, I go run am for you, bros. Anything, nanny. Bros, if I cook for you, you no go chop your wife food. Hey, madam, sorry. You no go chop outside again.
Oh, you said you can drive?
I dey drive anything, oh. 911, Molwe, bus, everything. I dey drive ship. Now only plane I never drive, bros. I get certificate for driving.
It's okay. I believe you can be of good behavior because I do not tolerate nonsense.
Even me, I don't like nonsense. I pledge to you, bros. Don't worry, I'll be of good conduct.
Anyway, my wife will take it up from here. Okay? Honey?
Daddy.
Take her to her room. I will see you when I come back in the evening.
Okay.
You'll be good.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
So, just sit down while I get something upstairs, okay?
Madam, excuse me. You're too fine. Get out. You're fine. Madam, you fine like 10 people. You fine like wish. Hey, fine man, marry fine woman. Hey, sit down. Sorry, ma.
She's a nursing mother. Look well before you are set. One biggie mistake.
Wanna put stuff? Just stop till you get it. Give me. Hey, wanna put stuff? Come on, just stop till you get it. Give me. Hey, wanna put stuff? Just stop till you get it. Give me. Hey, just stop till you get it. Come on, wanna put stuff? Just stop till you get it. Come on, wanna put stuff?
Filo. Hey, Filo. Hey.
You get malaria?
No.
You get fever?
No.
Why you dey laugh here?
Filo.
Why you dey look me like that?
Hey, Filo. I swear I no say you fine. Now today I know say you too fine. Hey.
Listen, now today I know say you no get sense. Common sense no dey your head. So you no go mind your business. You leave your gate, you come dey look me here, abi?
Well, let me tell you, see, I am the official security officer in this compound, recommended by the Federal Republic of Nigeria, near the badge. My business is to secure this house, and to protect you is also one of my business.
How can you be proud of poverty? Now, gate man, you go do till you die. You dey hear me? Your business na to protect gate. You leave your gate, come protect me. Oga, do a baton, make you go back to that gate. I no want verse for you this afternoon.
See, Philo, don't spoil my show. My papa name na Abraham.